Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to share location on iPhone. First, navigate to the Settings app on your device. Here, scroll down and find the Privacy and Security option. Next, tap on it and select the Location Services option. Then choose the Share My Location option here. After that, toggle to enable the Share My Location. Now reach the Messages app on your phone. Tap on the new message icon and type the contact name in the To area. Following that, hit the plus icon beside the text messages box. Here, tap on More and select the location option. Next, send the location to your contact. After that, go to the Contacts app and reach your phone number. In the end, you will see your location here. In this way, you'll be able to share your location on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.